you got to say? Did you hear they found the murder weapon? It was a knife stolen from the kitchen. And apparently it was taken when the main elevator to the kitchen was shut down. Therefore the killer got to the kitchen from the suite.
Oh, okay.
That's the conclusion. The killer must have access to the suite. Right, genius?
So now we have to go ask everybody
No.
about
The
that.
killer has access to the suite. So the only two people that had access
are him and his brother.
right, and the other guy that gave us access. But,
Oh, yeah, but he's
off of it, yeah. So I guess we have to go ask now. Oh, where's the door to it's over on the left side, right? Or is it the right side? No, it's the right side.
Oh, yeah.
Ask him about that. What have you got to say about that, sir? What?
I don't know. If he's just denying, that's pretty, I don't know.
Yeah. Grab that piece of paper.
Oh, I did. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Throw.
I guess we'll go ask the other people now about the access to the suite. Which this guy has been no help.
Yeah. Seems like a
See,
very...
the killer has access to the suite, while only Vincent and Riley have access tickets. And I remember seeing Vincent's access ticket still on his body, so that must mean that Riley is the killer. Proof Riley has access to the suite. So we have motive, and we have proof.
Yep. So I guess we should go accuse him,
So
right?
motive, Riley, proof, Riley. Boom.
Riley!
You are getting
going down.
accused. Wait, was it... Did we have to have two?
Just one of each.
One of each?
Yeah, one proof and one motive.
And one motive.
I accuse you!
Well, looks like you figured it out. Congratulations. Of course, there's only
Uh-oh.
one thing you've
Uh-oh.
got to...
Uh-oh.
Not good. Goodbye.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh, there's bombs all over the ship. Run. Okay.
Riley expended
Alright.
bombs while they should run into the obsidian tunnel.
Oh my goodness.
Where's the obsidian tunnel? Oh. Where is the obsidian tunnel?
Just the exploded wall that
What?
was right behind him.
Oh, there was?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know.
Oh, there. I can't see anything. Oh, I just fell.
Yeah, into water. You can breathe over here. However,
There's a chest up there, isn't there?
I guess. Oh, there's the card. Okay.
What'd you get?
I got the access card for over here.
Okay, cool. Nice. Go.
Ah! Stay back, stay back, stay back, stay back.
Wait, stay back.
Oh
Ow.
my god.
Alright, I guess we go down. Yep, we do.
Oh
Ow.
god.
Oh! Ow!
Oh my God.
Ow!
Oh no! Water.
Ugh.
Okay, there. This music is intense.
It is. It's getting pretty crazy.
Ah!
Okay.
I think this is why we were supposed to make potions.
Mid-deck. Potentially. Oh, that's the grog storage. Okay, don't worry about that.
Yeah, I don't think we need anything now.
Oh! Oh! Ah!
Ah!
Get your katana out! Get your katana out!
I do. I can't even get out this door. There we go. Ow! Ow! It's hitting me.
Stupid silverfish.
Okay. Oh yeah, I have some golden apples.
Nice.
You need. Just say so.
Upper deck.
Ah!
Ah! Get through. Please, everyone remain calm. No pushing. You're all fine.
No,
Get out of the
I'm
way!
everybody.
Ah! Doors. Doors are hard.
Oh, they are.
Can't run in here.
Oh, that's weird.
Ugh! The long tunnel.
It's a potion of slowness, I guess. We must have walked through some.
Oh, jump! Jump!
Oh! Yeah! Okay. Oh, it's soul sand.
Oh, it is. Yeah, it's retextured soul sand. That's what it is. Nice.
Oh, water.
Oh, now the water. Oh, my. Oh, it's dark.
Holy
Oh,
crap.
Oh, you managed to escape the ship just as it sank. You have washed up on a desert island in the middle of the ocean, so you'll probably die out here. That's the end. Thanks for playing. Map created by Centimeta, aka Norman Jaden Potent. Special thanks to Zalius. All hail the Ridge Around, whatever that means. Wilson the Tree.
Oh, Wilson! Yeah.
Victory music. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the jukebox. Boop. Yay! Victory music. Song titles. Alecia Defense. Rogue Cemetery and Discworld.
Oh, we can see a neat trick.
Want to see a neat trick? Use the butt.
Oh, God.
Oh, they're pistons. That's.
You can take their faces off.
Oh, that's really
amazing.
weird. Ew.
I love that.
Ew. Alright.
Alright. We solved the murder, but now we're stranded.
We did. Now we're stranded on an island, and we get to watch the beautiful sunrise.
Sunrise? Yeah, sunrise. Yay.
Just gonna go ahead and
So pretty.
screenshot that. Oh, it's so pretty with the music. Nice.
Nice. Alright. Actually, I don't even see you. You're not even on this island.
Really?
Yeah.
Have I disappeared? Oh, I've
I'm
disappeared.
alone.
Okay, I should probably go in the water. No. Alright.
Alright. Well.
I should probably need to be in there for the outro, but I don't know. Doesn't matter.
Maybe I'll see. Oh, no. You were invisible.
I'm straight up invisible. Awesome. Well, anyway, thanks for joining us on our adventure for solving the murder mystery on the cruise ship. And we did it. And we were smart, and we were resourceful, and we didn't get killed by all the obsidian or dynamite. And this has been LABVentures Team Sparkly Vampires. Matt Sims signing off.
Alright. Yeah, and this is Alecia just saying this was really fun. I had a lot more fun than, I don't know, I guess I thought I would. No offense.
Aww.
But no, like I really enjoyed it. Like I thought it was going to be more like looking for all these clues, but I liked how they did it. It was nice and, I don't know, it was nice. I enjoyed it.
It was nice. Nice. Awesome.
But yeah, this is Alecia signing off. Even though Matt is invisible.
Woo! I'm invisible, yay!
We're, join us next time. Like or subscribe. Share with anyone you want, share the love. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.